So today's drive will be 331 miles from Davison, Saskatchewan to Vegreville, Alberta. What you'll see is that I've transitioned, or at least we're starting to transition off the Great Plains. So I've been driving across for like 3 days now. As I keep moving my way towards the northwest, we're going to see more and more of this transition to finally get out completely out of the plains. What you'll notice though is that I did start off with a lot of flat wheat fields, typical what we've been seeing on the Great Plains. I did do something comical. I'm in a new country, right? In Canada, not in the US. And I went to go pay for something today at the gas stop with 20 bucks in my hand. Completely forgetting the fact that Canadian money is a different country.
I tongue travel production. Mahogany if you want to, cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me home. Every day is like a holiday. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back. So broken, yet I noticed, and the weight of the world's got you hopeless. Nothing's greater, nothing's better. You just sit and you wait to come home.
jacket. It's a little cool. I'm at the Vegreville Town Campground. It's $25, but that's Canadian money. So it's actually only $20. I was able to use my credit card and looked at my bank statement. It's 20 bucks, just a little over $20. It's 30 amps everywhere. Water station behind me. Over on the other side of the road tracks is 2 different dump stations. And there was another water station I think I saw over there as well. The website is $25, but that's Canadian money. Yeah, Canadian money. Oops. There's a Walmart here in town, so I stopped over there. They didn't have any diesel exhaust fluid there though. I do have 2 more containers of diesel exhaust fluid in the bed of the truck, so if I need more I can just use what I've got. I'm sure there's some at the gas stations, I just haven't seen it yet. So the campground I'm at is like about an hour east of Edmonton. Some observations I've noticed while driving is Canadians generally don't speed, unlike the US, where everyone seems to be speeding. Now, I believe though that's in part, there's a lot of cameras. They even say right there that they're there for catching speeders, so you probably have to get a couple of those speeding tickets in the mail to make you stop speeding. I've not been eaten by a bear yet, but it's cold tonight, so I might just freeze. I've got a little heater. I'm going to use my little electric heater. So my phone is Verizon, my truck is AT&T, and it appears that I can keep using them without having to do any changes because my data plans allow me to use them in Canada. So here's a map of what the Verizon coverage looks like. So I think I'm gonna be okay for most of this way, but I'm going to start hitting some spy stuff. And now if we look at the AT&T coverage map, see, it covers basically the same thing. They're probably all using the same cell towers. Alright, baby. So if you like my videos, find them useful, any useful information at all, give me a thumbs up. If you're just entertaining, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my misadventures, see if I get eaten by a bear, then you have to subscribe. Of course, someone will have to find the camera if I get eaten by a bear. See you around. So this campground I'm at is